Developing an app using Java involves several steps, and it's a popular choice for Android app development. Here's a concise guide. Conceptualize your app. Begin by defining the app's purpose and functionality. Consider your target audience and the problem your app will solve. Set up development environment. Download and install Java Development Kit and Android Studio, the official integrated development environment for Android app development. Learn Java. Java is the primary language for Android app development. Familiarize yourself with Java's syntax and object-oriented programming principles. Design your app. Plan the user interface and the app's flow. Use XML layouts to design UI components in Android Studio. Write code. Implement your app's functionality using Java. Access Android APIs, services, and features through Android SDK. Testing. Use Android emulators or physical devices for testing. Debug and address any issues that arise during this phase. Optimize performance. Optimize your code for better performance by following best practices, efficient algorithms, and resource management. Features. Enhance your app with features like user authentication, database integration, and network connectivity. Prepare for distribution. Create a developer account on the Google Play Store. Generate a signed APK for distribution. Publish on Google Play. Follow Google's guidelines for app submission, including creating a compelling app listing, setting pricing, and providing necessary assets. Marketing and support. Promote your app, gather user feedback, and update it regularly to address issues and add new features. Monetize. Explore monetization options such as in-app ads, subscriptions, or selling your app.